Hello students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we will discuss about accidents and safety. Any event that happen unexpectedly and harm people is called an accident. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own carelessness, sometimes due to that of others. Accidents can take place anywhere and at any time. So, it's very necessary to stay alert. Safety on the road. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. Then you will be able to see the ongoing vehicles. Cross the road only when the traffic has stopped. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Look right, then left, then right again before crossing the road. Do not run on the road. Do not get into or off the moving bus. Children must never go out unaccompanied by any adult. Never listen to music using earphone or headphones when on the road. Safety at home. Although home is the safest place, but many accidents happened at home, in the kitchen, while handling electrical appliances, handling sharp objects, handling pointed objects. So, the golden rules of safety at home is prevention is better than cure. Every home must have proper electrical wiring and a fire extinguisher to deal with fire accidents. Rules of safety at home in the kitchen. Never leave objects like nails, scissors, toys or balls lying on the floor, as someone might get hurt or trip and fall. Never handle any electrical instrument which is not working properly without first switching it off. Never go near fire unless there is an adult present. Do not distract your mother or any other person while cooking, as he or she might get hurt. The stool should be of the right height, strong and steady, as if you want to take anything. Wipe off the spilled water immediately, as someone can be hurt. Always be alert to the smell of the gas in case of gas leak. Open all the windows and doors of the house and switch off the mains. Refrigerator, television, fan are electrical appliances that we use in our day-to-day life, and these appliances are useful and make our life easy and comfortable. So there are some safety precautions you have to take, like electrical appliances must be used correctly to avoid accidents at home. Children must never handle electrical appliances on their own. Never use a new electrical appliance without reading the instrument manual carefully. Switch on or off a plug or device with dry hands only. A faulty electric wire, plug or fuse must be repaired by an electrician only. In case a person receives an electric shock, shuts off the mains immediately. Safety in the swimming pool. We have to take some precautions while we are in the swimming pool or near the swimming pool. Children must never go for a swim unattended. Never dive into a shallow swimming pool. A learner must always use a float and must swim at the shallow end of the pool in the presence of the coach. Do not run along the swimming pool or settle anyone. Do not pull anyone from or push anyone into the water. That's it for today.